In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my OneNote from dark mode. This process can vary depending on your device, but I will walk you through each step clearly. Whether you are using an Android, iPhone, or Windows device, you will find it simple to make the switch. Let's dive into the details and ensure you have a bright and cheerful OneNote experience. First, let's start with Android and iPhone or iPad devices. Begin by opening the OneNote app on your device. Once the app is open, you will see your notebooks and pages. For Android users, the next step is to tap your profile picture located in the top left corner. This action will open a menu. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you control various preferences for your OneNote experience. After that, look for Theme and then choose Light. This step is essential because it allows your OneNote interface to brighten up. For iPhone and iPad users, the process differs slightly. Instead of making changes directly in the OneNote app, you will need to open the Settings app on your device. This is the main hub for adjusting how your device looks and feels. Once you are in Settings, navigate to Display and Brightness. Here you will find options under Appearance. Tap on Light. This change ensures that OneNote will now display in light mode, making it easier on your eyes during the day. Now that you have switched your app to light mode on your mobile device, let's move to Windows. Start by opening OneNote on your Windows computer. You will see your notebooks similar to how you see them on mobile. Next, click on File located in the upper left corner of the application. This action opens a new menu. From this menu, select Options. This section allows you to customize various settings for OneNote, including the theme. Once you are in the Options window, select the General tab. Here you will find different settings related to the appearance of OneNote. Under Office Theme, you will see several options available. Choose either white or colorful, depending on your preference. This step is important because it directly affects how you interact with the app daily. Once you have made your selection, click OK to apply the changes. Now let's summarize some crucial points. On iPhone and iPad, OneNote does not have an independent light or dark mode setting. Instead, it follows your device's appearance setting. For Android users, you have the flexibility to choose between light, dark, or system default directly within the OneNote app. This feature allows for a personalized experience based on your preferences. Finally, if you notice that only the page background is dark while the app is in light mode, there's an easy fix. For desktop users, navigate to View and select Switch Background. If you are on mobile, look for the three dots and select Switch Background when available. This little step ensures you have a consistent look throughout your notes. With that, you have successfully changed OneNote from dark mode to light mode. Enjoy your newly brightened workspace and the ease it brings to your note-taking experience.